Okay, we're gonna film down this busy street. We're gonna go all the way down to Portuguese Bookstore, and we're starting out at the Portuguese Embassy, right? Or Portuguese Consulate, which is has some pretty cool artwork right there. So let's follow on down. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna walk straight down the street. Portuguese Embassy, Portuguese Consulate. And we're gonna walk straight down along to it. That's to the right there. And then this one is kind of a beautiful architecture right there. We're gonna walk all the way down to the Portuguese Bookstore. You got that beautiful building right there. And you also got the nice, beautiful black and white tiles. So let's follow it all the way through. Got some kind of cool artwork there. I'm gonna go all the way down. So you got some pretty narrow streets on this one. This would be a nice pedestrian street. There are some real nice pedestrian streets in Macau. This one seems like it could be another one quite easily. It's a lot of density, always a lot of people walking down the streets in this area. There's a Valentine shop. Oh, it's just kind of, there's some little alleys, so there's lots of little alleys that go up and down. Let's keep on going down. Today we're gonna go all the way down to the bookshop. Kind of let you see what's. I think I'm gonna cross the street. This side of the street is a little bit narrow. We can go down this way. You got some interesting stuff like this one all the way down too. So there's a nice Indo-Chinese restaurant right down there. But now we got much wider sidewalks on this side. Portuguese Bookstore isn't that far away now. I thought we'd have to hike a little bit more. The sun is starting to go down. It's about 6 o'clock. And it's on a Monday. Well, it's not too easy to get around here. The streets are wider than that side. That side is really narrow. This one is wider, but still a lot of people they walk the width of it, especially if they're pretty normal everywhere in the world though. Some people don't see you, like that guy, he's on his phone. This is a really good street right here. Travessa dos Años. And this one is Capitol Theater. So Capitol Theater is one of the old cinema style stuff. Go all the way down. So you got some nice yellow buildings right here to the right as well. Go all the way down. And the Portuguese Bookstore is on our left. And I think our plan is just to go buy it. I'm gonna go in there myself, but I can't bring a camera in there. It's a private business. It's kind of cool in there. Let's see, there's a Portuguese Bookstore. And we're gonna go in there in a minute, but I'll show you a little bit more. So we're gonna walk through a security truck. Security vehicle. We're gonna walk right down into the middle of the street. I know people like to see what this looks like down here because it's quite photogenic and it's all pedestrian too, so. So we're gonna go all the way to this little circle right here. And now you can kind of see all the different stuff. So there's São Domingos, that's Sé Cathedral, and then this is that little circle right here. Now you got this, goes all the way to Sao Paulo ruins, and that one goes to it's like called Senado Square and São Domingos as well. So São Domingos is right there. Senado Square is down that way a little bit. This goes all the way to Sao Paulo ruins. It kind of navigates. This one goes to the Portuguese Bookstore, and then Sé goes right over here as well. So, okay, so we're gonna end it. We'll end it right at this spot. Okay. Actually, we'll end it looking back at the street we just walked down. So that was the street we just walked down. And I'm gonna go to the Portuguese Bookstore for a while. So I hope you like seeing that one. Chiquinha, chiquinha.